How are you feeling right now? As we embark on this journey, let's first check in with our present state of mind. It's important to remember that there's no right or wrong here. We're simply observing, creating a space for mindfulness to breathe. Are you feeling calm? Or perhaps a bit restless? Maybe you're harboring a sense of anticipation or curiosity. All these feelings are welcome, and they are part of the rich tapestry of our human experience. Now let's imagine ourselves in the heart of Australia, surrounded by its awe-inspiring natural beauty. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Hear the tranquil sounds of crackling fire and native birds. This environment is a mirror of our inner landscape, a reminder of the strength and resilience within us. In this session, we'll be exploring the concept of fire, both as a physical element and as a metaphorical tool for self-discovery. Fire symbolizes transformation, and through the practice of fire breathwork, we'll be channeling its power to ignite our inner strength and resilience. We will embark on a metaphorical journey, walking on fire. Don't worry, this is not a test of physical endurance, but rather a journey of the mind. It's about embracing the heat, the challenges, as opportunities for growth and transformation. As we move forward, I invite you to participate actively, engaging with this journey in a mindful and safe manner. Remember, this is your journey, and you are in control. You can choose to walk at your own pace, stop to rest, or even sit down and simply observe. Throughout this session, we'll be incorporating positive affirmations, aligning them with the themes of strength, resilience, and empowerment. These words are not just sounds. They are powerful tools of transformation, helping us to reframe our mindset and reinforce our inner strength. So, as we stand at the edge of this journey, let's take a moment to prepare ourselves. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel the energy building within you. Get ready to embrace a transformative journey. Are you familiar with the power of breath? Let's journey into the realm of fire breathwork together. Fire breathwork, also known as Kapalabhati in ancient yoga tradition, is a powerful tool that can ignite the fire within us, warming our body and invigorating our spirit. This dynamic practice is like stoking a fire, fueling it with oxygen, and watching it grow stronger and brighter. The benefits of fire breathwork are multifaceted. Physically, it helps to cleanse the lungs, sinuses, and respiratory system by expelling stale air and toxins. Mentally, it's like a gust of wind that fans the flames of our inner strength and resilience. It energizes the mind, sharpening our focus and clarity. Emotionally, it can burn away the cobwebs of negativity, leaving space for positive thoughts to thrive. Now let's delve into the practice. As with any form of breathwork, approach it gently, especially if you're a beginner. Find a comfortable seated position, ensuring your spine is straight. Close your eyes. Feel the earth beneath you, grounding you. Now place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. Feel the rise and fall of your body with each breath. Begin by taking a deep, slow breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Then exhale forcefully through your nose, contracting your abdominal muscles as if you're trying to blow out a candle. The inhalation should be passive, happening naturally as you relax your abdomen after the forceful exhale. That's one cycle of fire breath. Let's try it together slowly at first. Inhale deeply. Exhale forcefully. Inhale naturally. Exhale forcefully. Inhale, exhale forcefully. Inhale, exhale forcefully. Inhale, exhale forcefully. Inhale, exhale forcefully. Inhale and repeat. Feel the rhythm of your breath, like the ebb and flow of the ocean. As you grow more comfortable, you can gradually increase the pace, but always maintain control. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Remember, it's a journey of self-discovery. Exhale forcefully. Visualize the fire within you growing brighter with each breath. Keep exhaling with rhythm. Imagine this fire burning away any negativity, any stress, any fears. Exhale, keeping your pace. With each exhale, you're releasing these into the universe, transforming them into a beacon of strength and resilience. Remember to exhale forcefully. As you engage in this fiery dance of breath, remember to listen to your body. Exhale, keeping your tempo. If you feel dizzy or lightheaded, slow down or return to your normal breathing. Exhale forcefully with cadence. Try faster if you can. This is an empowering practice, not a punishing one. Engaging in fire breath work is like walking on hot coals, a testament to the power of mind over matter. Exhale forcefully from your tummy. It's a metaphorical journey, symbolizing our capacity to confront and overcome life's challenges, just as the resilient Australian landscape endures and thrives amidst the harshest conditions. Keep exhaling with intention. Remember, your breath is your strength. It's a reminder of the fire within you, the power you hold to transform yourself and your reality. Keep your focus. The next time you face a challenge, remember this practice. Now, take a deep inhalation. Take a last sip of air and hold for 30 seconds. 29, you will feel the air going from your lungs. 27, coming into your solar plexus. 25, until your troth. 23, and going to your brain. 21, you're experiencing energy within you. 18, embrace the feeling. 16, embrace the energy. 15, you can do it. 13, you can swallow if you need to. 11, only few seconds left. 9, keep your focus. 7, observe your body. 5, and soon. 4, release out of your mouth with a sigh. 3, in 2, 1, release. Remember the fire within you. Come back to a natural breath. What did you experience? Keep your eyes closed for our visualization if you can, and remember, you're stronger than you think. Have you ever imagined walking on fire? Picture a smoldering path, glowing with the intensity of 1,000 suns, a path that seems impossible to conquer. Yet there lies the challenge, the fire walk. This is not just a physical feat, but a metaphorical journey of resilience, strength, and transformation. Imagine the fire as a representation of the obstacles and challenges that life throws at us. Every ember, every spark symbolizes the hurdles we face in our daily lives. The heat, the intensity, mirrors the pressure and stress we sometimes feel. Now let's delve deeper into this metaphor. The fire walk is not about running away from the flames, but walking through them. It's about facing those challenges head on, with courage, with determination, with resilience. Like the Australian landscape, shaped and molded by the elements, yet standing tall, we too can weather the storms of life, emerging stronger and more resilient. As we embark on this metaphorical fire walk, it's essential to remember that this journey is not about speed, but about awareness, about mindfulness. It's not about rushing to the end, but about feeling every sensation, every emotion, every thought that arises as we walk this fiery path. Imagine yourself standing at the beginning of this fiery path. Feel the heat radiating from the ground. Feel your heart pounding in your chest. Take a deep breath, and with every exhale, let go of any fear, any doubt. You are not alone on this journey. Just like the ancient tribes, who believed in the power of community and unity, we too are connected in this shared experience. Now take the first step. Feel the heat on your soles, but do not retreat. Do not let the fear consume you. Instead, use it as fuel to propel you forward. With every step, feel a surge of strength, of resilience, of courage coursing through your veins. As you walk, you might stumble, you might falter. But remember, it's not about never falling, but about rising every time we fall. Each stumble, each fall, is an opportunity for growth, for learning, for transformation. So rise like the phoenix from the ashes, stronger, more resilient, more empowered. As you reach the end of this fiery path, take a moment to reflect on this journey. Feel the sense of achievement, of triumph. You've walked through the fire, faced your fears, overcome your challenges. You've proven to yourself that you are stronger than you think, more resilient than you believe. But remember, this fire walk is not a one-time journey. Life will continue to throw challenges at you. Yet with every fire walk, you grow stronger, more resilient, more empowered. You learn to dance with the flames, to embrace the heat, to find strength in adversity. Every fire walk is a journey of transformation, a journey of self-discovery. It's about finding that spark within you, that unquenchable flame of resilience, of strength, of courage. It's about fanning that flame, nurturing it, letting it grow into a roaring fire that can withstand the strongest winds, the harshest storms. So as we conclude this fire walk, take a moment to honor yourself, to celebrate your strength, your resilience, your courage. Feel the warmth of your inner fire radiating from within, illuminating your path forward. Remember, this journey is not about reaching a destination, but about embracing the journey itself. It's not about conquering the fire, but about becoming one with it, about finding strength in its heat, resilience in its intensity, courage in its flames. This is your journey, your fire walk. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Feel the warmth of the fire beneath your feet, not as a threat, but as a comforting companion that's here to help you discover the strength within. As you step onto this metaphorical trail of glowing embers, know that you're not alone. The gentle hum of the fire, the soft rustle of the leaves, the soothing songs of the native birds, they're all joining you on this transformative journey. Visualize yourself stepping onto the path, each footfall sending up a burst of sparks. These sparks are not just the physical manifestation of heat and light, but symbolic of the strength and resilience you carry within you. As you walk, let each step ignite a sense of power, a sense of determination, a sense of fearlessness that you may not have known existed within you. As you journey through this metaphorical firewalk, remember to breathe. Breathe in the strength of the Australian landscape, the resilience of its flora and fauna, the empowerment that comes from facing challenges head-on. And as you exhale, let go of any fear, any doubt, any hesitation that might be holding you back. Feel the warmth of the fire, not as a barrier, but as a catalyst, helping you transform these limiting emotions into powerful affirmations of your inner strength. As you continue on this journey, let's incorporate some positive affirmations. These phrases are not just words, but powerful tools that can help you align your thoughts with your actions. They can help you harness the strength that comes from standing firm amidst the trials, just like the resilient Australian flora and fauna. Repeat after me: I am strong, I am resilient, I am empowered. Let these words echo in your mind, resonating with the crackling of the fire, the rustling of the leaves, the singing of the birds. Internalize them, believe in them, for they are the essence of who you truly are. Each step you take on this fiery path is a testament to your courage, your determination, your strength. It's not about reaching the end of the path, but about the journey itself. It's about the transformation that occurs with each step, the realization that you're capable of overcoming any obstacles that come your way. Remember, this journey is not about avoiding the fire, but about embracing it, about using its heat and light as a source of strength and resilience. It's about understanding that the fire within you is not something to be feared, but something to be harnessed, something to be cherished. As you near the end of this metaphorical firewalk, take a moment to reflect on the journey. How do you feel? Do you feel stronger, more resilient, more empowered? Remember this feeling, hold on to it, for it's a testament to the transformative power of this journey. As the fire dies down, let your fears, your doubts, your hesitations die down with it. Let the embers of this fire serve as a reminder of the strength, the resilience, the empowerment you've discovered within yourself. Step off the fire path, but carry the warmth, the light, the strength with you. Let it guide you, let it empower you, let it remind you of the incredible journey you've just embarked on. You are stronger than you think. How do you feel now? Open your eyes slowly if they were closed. Take a big breath, enjoy. Let's take a moment to sit with our experience, to let the warmth of our journey seep into our consciousness. As the echoes of the fire crackling begin to fade, let's channel the energy of the flame into a beacon of light within ourselves. Imagine this flame as a symbol of your strength and resilience, a testament to the power of your spirit. You've walked the metaphorical fire, a journey that's not just a test of endurance, but a reflection of your inner power and resilience. Remember, the firewalk is a mirror of the journey of life. There will be heat, there will be discomfort, but it is through these experiences that we learn and grow. Just as the landscape has weathered harsh climates and thrived, so too have you navigated the firewalk, emerging stronger and more resilient. The fire breath that we practiced earlier, that rhythmic inhale and exhale, is a reminder of the constant cycle of life. Each breath is an opportunity to let go of the past and embrace the present, to stoke the inner fire that fuels our spirit. You've not only walked the fire, you've embraced it, danced with it, and emerged from it, glowing with newfound strength. This strength is not just physical, but mental and emotional. It's the resilience that allows us to face life's challenges with grace and courage. Your journey today is a testament to your determination, your courage, and your resilience. The firewalk is a symbol of your journey, a metaphor for the challenges you've faced and overcome, and the strength you've discovered within yourself. Remember, the fire within you is not a destructive force, but a source of warmth and light. It's a beacon that guides you through the journey of life, a symbol of your strength and resilience. So as we come to the end of our meditation, remember the fire walk. Remember the heat, the challenge, and the triumph. Remember the strength you've discovered within yourself, the resilience you've demonstrated, and the courage you've shown. As we close our eyes and take a final deep breath, let's hold on to the warmth of the fire, the strength of our spirit, and the resilience of our being. Let's carry these with us into our daily lives, reminding ourselves that we are capable, we are strong, and we are resilient. The fire walk is not just a metaphor for life's challenges, but a testament to our ability to face them with courage and strength. It's a reminder that we have the power to overcome, to grow, and to thrive. So as we return from our journey, remember, the fire within you is always burning, always guiding, always strengthening. Remember the fire walk, remember the strength, remember the resilience. You have walked the fire, and you have emerged stronger. Would you like to share your experience? Each of us has a unique perspective, a unique journey, and in sharing, we create connections, we build bridges, we foster understanding, we learn from each other, and in doing so, we grow together. Just as the embers of a fire can ignite a mighty blaze, your words, your experiences, can spark inspiration in others. They can serve as light, guiding those who are navigating their own path of mindfulness and meditation. It's not about being an expert or a guru, but about being human, about being real. Our experiences are different, yet they are also the same. They are the threads that weave the tapestry of our shared human experience. They remind us that we are not alone in our journey, that we are part of something bigger, something profoundly beautiful. You see, meditation isn't a solitary practice. It's a dance, a symphony, a conversation. It's the subtle rhythm of our collective heartbeat, pulsating with the energy of compassion, of understanding, of unity. It's the gentle whisper of the wind, carrying our stories, our experiences, our truths to the corners of the earth. So, we invite you, share your experience, share your journey, share your story. Let your words be the gentle breeze that stirs the embers, the spark that ignites the flame. Let your voice be heard, for it is powerful, it is unique, it is yours. Remember, your story matters, your voice matters, you matter. And in sharing, you have the power to uplift, to inspire, to transform. You have the power to ignite the flame of mindfulness, to light the path for others. Your story can inspire others. We are all in this journey together. So, share, connect, grow. For in doing so, you become a part of the symphony, a part of the dance, a part of the conversation. You become a part of the community,